Okay, let's start here with the custom tiled shower. We did a design positive 8x20 wall tile in color Blanc Brilliant with a mist power grout. And then on the floor, we did a Kaleido Nero 2x2 mosaic with a charcoal gray power grout. And the two soap dishes, the one-step stool for your foot, and of course the top of the curb, we did that in quartz in marmoline ash. And that looks pretty attractive, I think. And then we did the metal, jolly metal around the top and the sides of the wall tile, and we did that in brushed nickel to match the eventual plumbing hardware and fixtures that we're putting in here. And we did the same brushed nickel for the shower drain cover.